My name is Peter Moon in IMB Dx. IMB Dx liquid biopsy company for precision oncology. We are innovating the cancer diagnostics and treatment. We are trying to detect cancer earlier. We capture circulating tumor DNA in blood. We analyze the somatic mutation of ctDNA. We provide information such as which mutation tumor comes from, the effectiveness or resistance of current therapy, and proper medicine for each patient. Through liquid biopsy, we substantialize the personalized precision medicine. We expect the clinical utility of liquid biopsy will increase. The clinical trials of target therapy is over 3,200. The clinical trials of immunotherapy is over 5,000. For target therapy, specific biomarker should be identified. Resistance comes out. In case of immunotherapy, the response rate is less 30%. As the option of target therapy and immunotherapy increase, the accurate diagnosis become more important. As the accurate diagnosis become more important, the market size of liquid biopsy will increase to $100 billion in 2030s. We expect the market will grow up step by step, cancer patient monitoring, prognosis prediction, to early detection. Our founders of IMBDx began researching of ctDNA and clinical application of liquid biopsy in 2014. Based on the performance of research, founders established IMBDx in 2018. Our team leaders are experts who can substantialize the liquid biopsy based on NGS technology. Tae Kim was a chief of Seoul National University Cancer Center. Professor Bang has developed the NGS core technology from Chicago and Harvard. Seon Kim is a bioinformatics specialist from Chicago and Berkeley. She participated in TCGA. Tumor biomarker can be DNA, RNA, and cancer cell itself. Most recent approach is sequencing of ctDNA, which can reveal genomic alteration of cancer. The amount of ctDNA reflects tumor burden and size. In early stage, ctDNA is very rare. The most advanced technology is required to detect rare ctDNA in the blood and to analyze signals among noises. Through liquid biopsy, we can profile cancer cell. We can solve tumor heterogeneity issues in tissue biopsy, and we can monitor cancer cell evolution in right time. Through liquid biopsy, we expect that liquid biopsy substitute for tissue biopsy. We've also patented library prep analysis technology, UNIQ-seq. We optimize and developed our agent, reagent, and enzyme. We use AI denoising suppressor technology to ensure high accuracy and 100-fold higher denoising suppression. So thus, we can detect and provide a report with as little as 10 nanogram input DNA. We offer a portfolio of 3 products, AlphaLiquid 10, 100, 1000. AlphaLiquid 100 can detect SNP in their CMV, Fusion, and MSI with the 10 milliliter whole blood in 106 cancer-related genes. AlphaLiquid test service takes 10 working days from blood collection to clinical report. AlphaLiquid test can provide the information such as summary of a mutation, longitudinal monitoring, personalized medicine, and information of clinical trials for each patient. While we have many competitors in emerging market, our strengths lie in analytical and detection capabilities with affordable price. We can detect more CMV and Fusion with a high degree of accuracy. AlphaLiquid test is validated with many other diagnostic tools. We got same result in ddPCR to detect KRAS mutation in 54 colorectal cancer patients. We have built our own blackness databases with the analysis of a healthy person. We found the BRCA2 deletion in healthy person. 4 months later, we received a message that healthy person got diagnosis with ovarian cancer. This is one of the examples to show clinical utility of AlphaLiquid test. We could find the clinical utility of AlphaLiquid test in longitudinal monitoring. We can find the increase of somatic mutation burden 3 months before progressive disease. We are developing screening panel for early detection of cancer. AlphaLiquid test is being validated over 3,000 clinical samples in over 10 major hospitals. AlphaLiquid test is adopted in 2 major hospitals for patients. We started to export to Taiwan. Pharmaceutical companies chose AlphaLiquid test for CDx in their own clinical trials. We expect the revenue will increase exponentially as the AlphaLiquid test is adopted in more clinics. The number of tests will increase rapidly. We have 2 business models. We provide the AlphaLiquid test as a service. We sell AlphaLiquid package, including kit and analysis software. AlphaLiquid test, the most advanced liquid biopsy, can save lives. We invite you to join us in the journey to fight against cancer. Thank you for the attention.
Right, thank you very much. Any question or comment? No? So, well, there are many liquid biopsy tests even in globally or even in Korea. So if you say maybe just one word which distinguishes IBD compared to other companies?
Yeah. Our AlphaLiquid test is validated clinically. So that is the main point of differentiation.
Mm-hmm. What's the main reason for the price reduction compared to other competitors?
We optimized and developed our own reagent and enzyme, and we designed our own probes with our strategic partners. So that is the main reason.